Our exclusive King 5 poll shows people across the state are reacting to the coronavirus crisis. New numbers just in show 41% strongly approve or approve of the job that President Trump is doing, while 52% disapprove or strongly disapprove. We asked the same question about Governor Jay Inslee. He has more support. 67% strongly approve or approve of his job so far, while about a quarter disapprove or strongly disapprove.